Alright, here we go. Got the Hornady VMAX. These are Varmint rounds in 223. They pretty much blow to shreds. Doing a wound channel with it. We're just going to see what kind of hole it blows through a cantaloupe and the path of destruction. So y'all stick around and y'all will see it shortly. Alright, here we go. Got the 223 VMAX. We got Mr. Coconut, the cantaloupe downrange. What we're doing is just a wound channel through him. And not really, if we catch the bullet, we catch it. Got the denim behind it, see what we can get. Okie dokie, here we go. Lots of smack on there. This bullet's designed to blow up. So, got the little hole going in. And we got a massive crater coming out. That's your wound channel. Right there. Little hole in. Big hole out. Bullet in here. Got a hole going in. Actually, we got an exit going out. But there ain't nothing in the other pants, so let's just see. Absolutely nothing left. Hey, you got little metal fragments. Like I said, I mean it just vaporizes. And that's the deal for coyotes. Knock them on their ass, that's for sure.